Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you how to match your paint on a car. This in this case I'm gonna paint a door handle for a Toyota. This is my paint and the color is called magnetic gray, gray metallic. Um, so here's the paint. It's about like $18-20, depends where you buy it. And I think there is a code in the bottom here if you want to look at it. So anyways, so I bought the door handle uh, online and it came prime already, so you don't need to sand it. If you want, you can sand it with like uh, maybe 1,000, because if you do like 800 or 600 or coarser sandpaper, you're gonna leave scratches, so it's better not to do it. So because it already has primer. So what you have to do is wear gloves so you don't put any oil from your hands on the surface, and you get a nice clean paper towel. Also, if you want, you can buy one of those sticky tag things that you can um, clean it after using the towel, but you don't have to. Just make sure there is no lint left. So anyways, so the use this is to clean the grease, anything that has in the door handle like grease or whatever. It's called pre-peel. It's a degreaser, and this is my paint. So you want to make sure you shake your paint, and you see the paint. This is only primer, and you have to, what you need to do after you shake your gravel can, start painting. And what you have to do is don't get too close, don't get too far. If you get too close, you're gonna make runs on your paint, and if you go too far, then the paint is not gonna cover your thing. It's gonna be like all over the place. So about 8 to 10 inches, I would say, like this far, and just give it a light coat first. Make sure you paint like the edges, so when you open your handle, it doesn't show that it's primer on the back. Just like that, light coat. Chicken. So OEM paint, you see right there. And this is just the paint, so I'm gonna let it dry for like 10 minutes. I'm gonna come back and do another coat, and then I'm gonna wait another 10 minutes, and I'm gonna come back and do clear coat. So let me hang it up, and then I will show you later the second coat. Okay, this is the final product. This is I applied 3 coats. I waited between coats 10 minutes, and as you see, it looks kind of coarsey, sandy, but because the paint has no clear coat, so I'm gonna show you how it looks like with clear coat already. Right there, it's more like shiny. So I'm gonna go ahead and set down my phone, and apply some grit coat on this door handle. So after your grit coat, you want to apply it like a little bit closer than the paint, and make sure when you apply it, see like here it looks wet already, and you can tell like right away once your paint is covered with clear coat. So this is how it looks like after painted it and pre-coated too. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it down, wait like 10 more minutes for to apply another second coat, and then I should be done. See, it looks beautiful. It's like factory paint. So there you go. This is how you paint color match your car paint. So this is the final stage. Give it 3 coats of a grit coat, and as you can see, it's all shiny and looks so nice, like OEM from factory. So basically, if you want to save money, you can just do it by yourself. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. I might be able to help you out. So thanks.